Hi everyone, so as you may have remembered me from my last video where I unboxed a viral Xiaomi 5000 mAh power bank which was super slim. Now I brought you something new. It's actually a case. So if you look at the branding, the brand says think outside the case. So yeah, it's a brand new viral case with a display. So let's unbox it, let's see how it looks. Oh, so the packaging itself says think outside the case. Hey there, surprise your people and tag. Hello. So that's the box. It says make yours, connect, share. Simple. Comes in a nice bubble wrap. Oh, the case is very nice. It's a nice cardboard case, I think. So if you look at this, it says Extreme. That's the brand name, intro. Extreme instant custom case. Nice. I don't know if you can see in the camera, it has this raised button. It's really nice. Some details, the serial number and all. And okay, we have a seal on top and bottom to open the box. Oh, wow, this is so good, man. Okay, so we have a user manual which we don't need. Wow, I got it in a white color. Do we have anything else in the packaging? No. So let me just put the packaging aside. Also bring me my iPhone 16 Pro in the frame. Okay, so let's see this case. Okay. Let's remove the insert. Oh, the inner side is really nice with this artwork. Looks cool. The sides are glossy finish, slightly translucent. On the back we have this protective film. Nice. So there it is. The display looks fairly high resolution. Oh, this is metal. Yeah, and it also has a capacitive button built in, not like a normal case where they just give you a divot so that you can access the actual case. So let's see. Let me just put it on and check the fit. Fits nicely. I mean, it's not that thick. It's like a normal case. So this was my original silicone case which I was using before this. It's fairly same. Even if you look at from the top, it's fairly similar. Mm. Fits nicely, and there's a display on top. Let me see if the picture control works. Oh, this works nice, flawlessly, without any problem. On the side, I like the way they added a red accent on the special key, and as you can see, there is some kind of air pocket or cushion inside. Okay, so let's not waste time and quickly dive into the app. Okay, there it is. We have the app. You have to pair the case. Click on pair. It gives a warning or a pop-up, you can say. Okay, it is asking me to log in. Okay, finally I am back with the app. I have finally logged in, and this is what my case looks like. They don't show the actual case. I mean, they're displaying it for 17 Pro or Pro Max. I have 16, but that's fine. I mean, you can shoot, and also I can choose. I can simply shoot, I can choose an app, a photo from an album, sorry. Then there is second tab where I can share it with friends. I can do a remix, basically create an photos using AI. If I go here, you can see they have given me free 100 credits. That's nice. And then there is this artist library where I can browse things created by an artist. So before I go ahead and apply my own picture, I'll show you. So I have this default picture. So let's choose this and see if I can. So I click on cast and says ready. Let's see how the process works. But that's the advantage. Once it's done, it doesn't require any battery life. It just stays. And there it is. Oh wow. It's so good, man. It stays there forever without taking any battery. Oh, nice. Says I'm done. I can go back to the home. Now I want to actually try selecting one of my picture. Okay, so I selected this picture of mine. I'll do next, and it's giving me an option. How much do I want to? I think this is fine. Let me just do next and cost. Let's see how the process works. This is so cool. I can just change my case instead of paying for these custom cases. I can just apply. Oh wow, look at the picture. Oh nice, so cool. This picture is actually a little dark, but I actually like it. So that's it for the viral case. Follow me for more viral gadgets.